bright and early and I'm already feeling a little overwhelmed, so I'm just gonna take it one step at a time. Today I am going to be tackling our pantry, which I'll show you here in a minute. We're gonna do a complete overhaul of our pantry. I'm excited to get this done. It's been something I've been thinking about for a few weeks and I'm ready to just do it. And then we also have just general cleaning that I need to get done. The house isn't necessarily dirty, but it's messy. There's just clutter everywhere that we need to clean up. And then I need to do the floors as well because we do have some family coming over tonight for dinner. So I want the space to be nice and clean and tidy for them. And then we are also, you say hi? I need to do your hair.
Can I show them what happened to my pinky?
You want to show them what happened to your pinky?
Look what happened, guys.
What happened?
I slammed the door on my finger, on my pinky.
And that hurt, huh? Are we okay now, though?
It's hurting.
It is still hurting?
So I should run under cold water.
Cold water for just a minute, okay. So that happened as well. We were gonna try and take the dogs to the dog park today, if we have enough time. And have a picnic, maybe. It's a little chilly out. Let me show you our pantry. This is our pantry. It's pretty small, but it works. It goes back pretty far. So don't judge, do not judge what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. So this is the pantry. It came with this is what the previous owners had in here. It's just this little wire rack. And you know, it has served its purpose pretty well. But if you look, like, it's actually a really deep closet. So what I'm hoping, my vision is that I'm going to take everything out, give it a good wipe down, and then I'm going to paint the top, the bottom, and the sides, and then wallpaper the back, and then we're going to put in shelves and paint those as well. So that is the hope. I'm also gonna get a light to go up here because when it's, you know, not bright in here, it can get a little hard to see what's in the closet. So that is the plan. So the first thing I need to do is take everything out, clean it. I need to go to Target to get a couple of supplies and possibly Lowe's if I can't find the supplies that I need at Target. Now for paint, because I want to do this on a budget. When I painted our family room, I got a bunch of paint swatches, so I'm just gonna use those. I don't know if that's right or wrong to do, but they're all like different shades of white, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna mix all these together and hope that it looks good.
I've seen those faces. I've heard.
So I have everything out. Now I'm gonna take out this and then give the whole closet a good wipe down.
Feels right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say
I have cleaned out the cupboard. I have wiped it down. I took the measurements, so we're ready to go get some wood for the shelves. And I'm gonna let it dry. Even though I only used a damp rag, I still want it to be completely dry before I paint and put the wallpaper on. So we went to Target and I picked up this basket, and this will go on the bottom shelf for all of our like trash bags and things. And then this set of it's a refrigerator storage bin set, but it'll work really nicely. It's got two small shelves or two small bins and then two bigger ones. So that'll be good for just the random things that need to be put in a box. And then I got this for our canned food, and where is this? There it is. It expands to the perfect width of the pantry. So we'll be able to display the canned goods. I thought that would be nice. This is the light that we got, and it's motion activated. So when we open the cupboard, it'll just turn on, which will be great for what we need. And I think that's it. I got batteries for the light. And then these are the shelves that we're gonna put in. I loved the look of these. And this is the wallpaper. So I felt like these would be really good, thank you. Contrasting colors, the light and the dark wood. And then we're gonna hang them up with this shelving system. And then, thank you, my little helper.
And another one.
Thank you. So that's what the plan is. And we're gonna paint first, let that dry. We're gonna go to the dog park while it's drying, and then we're gonna come back and assemble all of this.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too.
Okay, so this is the color. It's like a creamy color.
Like her.
Let's give it a go.
Says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. Don't tell me how.
Okay, so the first coat is done. I can't, the camera is not picking up how much lighter it already is. Like, it's so easy to see in here with just one coat. The back is where we're putting the wallpaper, so I don't need to worry about painting that. But coat one is down. I put the second coat of paint in here. I am gonna let this dry. While that's drying, I'm gonna get some cleaning done. Sean ran to the hardware store to pick up a couple more pieces that we need. So this is perfect time for me to get some speed cleaning done.
Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight. Hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh. 'Cause baby, I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you
Okay guys, there it is. Isn't she lovely? Looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. The wallpaper was really easy to put in. It just took a little bit of finagling in the corners. And then of course it was just short enough where I had to make a whole 3-inch strip to match, but it looks perfect to me. So, oh my gosh, it looks so good. I love it. I love it. So now we have to put the shelves in, and then it'll be done. It'll be done. Sean is cutting that. I am going to clean up all of the mess that I can. There's stuff everywhere. So I'm just gonna start cleaning up all of this stuff to get it nice and organized.
When you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense. When you're next to,
So what I'm gonna do is before I even measure and put holes in the wallpaper for the second one, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the wall so I can make sure that these are level based off of these and not based off of this, because this is not level. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna score the little holes so I don't tear the wallpaper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes, put in some screws, and get these suckers hung up.
Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party.
Okay, so we've got the, whatever those are called in. So I'm gonna install the light, and then we'll be ready to install the shelves. Okay guys, before I show you the big reveal, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to my supporters. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribing is completely free to you, and it does support me and my family. It's a win-win, and I appreciate all of my current subscribers. Love you guys so much. Let's get on into the big reveal.
Top down on our way, we're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, we're on our way.
Okay guys, here is the after. I absolutely love how it turned out. So great. So I've got all of my just like extras down here, and rice and all of that kind of stuff. And then on this shelf, just all of our pasta and then some tuna. And then all of our canned goods, and then just things that we reach for regularly, our chocolate milk and our peanut butter. And then our lunch box is up here, and there's so much more space. I just love it. And then all of our trash bags and extra paper bags down there. It looks so much better. Absolutely love it.
We ain't gonna stop for nothing.